Here we come to the entrance elevators at the Bairong World Trade Center in Beijing, China. These are Shanghai Mitsubishi elevators. And we got one coming down. All right, here's this one right here. There might be people on it. Oh, no one's inside. I realized there's a bumper. Check this out. B2? Oh, the bumper was stuck, that's why. It's just your basic elevator cab. Six. I like how these buttons push in. Most of these buttons don't even push in like that. This is gonna be insanely crowded going up. If this thing stops on every floor, we're gonna switch off at the top. This is way too painful for me to hold, getting a bunch of people on the elevator car. Anyways, just for your information, there are like 3 wings in this whole entire set, but all the elevators are all the exact same. You know, same exact design, same everything, same elevators, same all that. All right, we're gonna switch up here. This mall is set up interesting. There are, I don't know how many of these elevator kinds. There are these elevator kinds, and there's the glass one, and the freight elevators. It's like repeating all the same thing, repeating over and over and over again. And here's this one right here. Same exact cab. That floor looks like it's seen better days. Now look at this button. It pushes in like that, see? These elevators were from 2003. All the elevators in this mall were installed in 2003. I think that's the year when this mall was built. For some reason, some of the dot matrix over my phone screen is literally black, but I can literally see the whole indicator off camera. All right, up to one end there. I mean, look at the dot matrix missing on some of it. Has nothing to do with the floor indicator. The indicator works just fine. I can clearly see it off camera, but for some reason my phone screen is not picking it up. There's some more elevators right there, but they're the exact same, so I'm not going to do that one. All right, we're going to go ahead and watch it close. All right, there it goes, and that's it.